We are on a mission to give people like you the knowledge and confidence to invest in property the right way. So join us as we build a world-class property community built to serve over 100,000 people to do just that. We offer practical education to help you live life on your terms.
Creating multiple streams of income is a hot topic right now, and everyone is talking about how it's now possible to live your best life ever. So why not do this through property? In reality though, the property investment journey can be fraught with difficult, painful projects. Refurbishment costs are on the rise, causing people to lose money. Or even worse, the level of investment needed just to get started can seem out of reach, but not anymore.
Learn All About Property has changed the property game by delivering world-class training through our online portal. You can easily sign up and get access to your own video courses and work through the course at your very own pace.
Gain clarity, discover insights, and go to work on your property dream by building your knowledge brick by brick.
We have 3 main exciting courses for you to choose, such as the Property Beginners course, for those just getting started on the property investment journey. The Property Advanced course, for those that have tried property investing before or those who want to expand their property portfolio properly and profitably.
Then of course we have the one-of-a-kind, the Property Refurbishment Course, whereby we share and teach you our secret formula towards maximising your property potential. Property refurbishment is where a lot of people tend to lose money. This course teaches you how to avoid making the same mistakes most people make so you can make money rather than lose money.
Our team of experts use their years of vast practical experience in the world of property to teach you all you need to know. Everything you were taught is what they have used to build their impressive property portfolios and mentor thousands of other individuals to do the same. Building a life that you won't want a holiday from starts with a choice.
Make the right one for you, your family, and for future generations to come. Learn All About Property is about doing property properly
and profitably.